What's up, warriors? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cindy Jolie. Today I'm coming to y'all with a very easy, simple, and quick tutorial on how to put on your false lashes. I know some people struggle with putting on their false lashes, so I just want to help y'all out a little bit. It's really not as hard as you think or as hard as it seems. Once you get it, you got it good, okay? So if you would like to see how I apply my false lashes, then stay tuned. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Warrior gang. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I post, okay? Today's lashes are actually by Enchanted Blue Virgin Hair in the style Tiana. And show y'all. This is how we're looking. Using my Duo lash glue. This is the only lash glue that really does what I needed to do, so yeah. I like to put the glue on a nice, smooth, even layer. Not too much, not too little. All right, so we're gonna let that lash chill. Take the other one out. Just about dry enough for me to put it on. So I'm gonna pick it up. This lash is gonna go on my left eye. You can always tell by which side looks the shortest because it's gonna flare out on the left side if it's for your left eye, and it's gonna flare out on the right side if it's for your right eye. I take my mirror and look into it like I'm gonna look down into the mirror. Then you're just gonna take your lash, and I usually stick mine in the middle first. And if you get any extra glue anywhere, you can just take the back of your tweezers and wipe it before it's completely dry. So then I go into the inner corner and place it down. And then the outer corner. And at this angle, if you open your eye wide, you'll be able to see if it's down like you need it to be. And you're just gonna take the tweezers and basically push your natural lashes and your lash line together with the falsie. And what I like to do to make sure it's on like I need it to be, I just close my eye and push it in. All right, let's get to the other one before it dries too much. Same thing, you're just gonna look down, place it, inner corner, outer corner. Make sure it's sticking. And bam, there we have it. So like I said, I just like to close my eye and just push it in, make sure it's secure. That is how I apply my falsies. Quick, simple, easy, straight to the point. So, you know, my best advice for y'all if you struggle with putting on false lashes is just keep practicing. Like, you will get it eventually. I used to suck too, but now I just pop these things on like it's nothing and go, okay? If you guys would like to shop these lashes, I'm going to leave everything in the description box below, including my discount code for y'all, which is SYDJ, SYDJ, to save 10% off of these lashes or this beautiful unit that came from Enchanted Blue Version Hair. This is the Enchanted Blue Frontal Crown in the Noble texture. And I just want to thank y'all for tuning in to my lash tutorial. I will catch you guys in the next video. And special shout out to Enchanted Blue Version Hair for sponsoring this video. Don't forget, if you're new, to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see y'all soon. Sid Jolie out.